Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Eventbrite, which is all you need to organize events to elevate your brand or the event itself. So we will going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Eventbrite, and also we will talk about the pricing of this product. So what is Eventbrite? Eventbrite enables you to organize, promote, run and track events from both a desktop computer and a mobile device through its app designed for event organizers. With Eventbrite, you can create a listing page for any event you organize, which includes built-in payment process, as well as analytics and customer support capabilities. Eventbrite ensures that these listings pages can be easily discovered and they can be built out of the box and designed also by Eventbrite. This listing page can also be customized according to your brand's identity. With the payment processing functionality, you can embed checkout on your listing page, so attendees don't have to leave the site to purchase a ticket. You can also use Eventbrite to host and run free events, as the app doesn't charge fees on free tickets. Eventbrite has an industry-leading searching ranking on search engines, which enables people to find your events easier. As I said before, you can run it in your basically web browser, and also you can deploy on your mobile phone, even if it's Android or iOS. It's basically same. So they're providing very nice 24/7 live support, and also during the business hours. It's made for all types of companies, and even if you are individual and you want to pop on the map of events, you can use Eventbrite for your advantage. So in organizing, we can check their website by finding your next event, which is very easily, and you can change you can use your current location, or browse online events. Let's say we can check it online, and also you can check your favorite collection, then Black History Month event that celebrates Black culture, for example, and many more. But we are here mainly for creating an event. If you want to sign in actually into the Eventbrite, it's very easy. You can either start by going with email address or password. Then you can also go with your Gmail account. That's what I did. And easily you can browse events, manage your events, also check the tickets, credits, liked, following, interested, and also we can cover up the account settings. With account, you can go to contact info, check the password, credit and debit cards that you uploaded for the tickets, email preferences, linked accounts, closed accounts, personal data, developer links, and many more. With Eventbrite, let's create an event. So to show you, event title, be clear and descriptive. Let's go with tutorial making event organizer. Let's go with making tutorials. Now you can choose from all of these options. For example, appearances or singing, attractions, festival, convention, tour, tournament. Let's go with this one. Category, film, media and entertainment, and let's go with other tags. Improve describability of your event by adding 10 tags, for example, tutorial, event. You can basically put up more and more, but you are allowed to use 10 tags. And then location, online event, venue, or to be announced. Let's go with venue, location. Let's go Ružomberok, Slovakia. And it can be anywhere around. Let's go with some like this, completely made up one. Country, Slovakia, Žilina region, postal code. You can search the locations. It's going to be single event with displayed start time, display end time, and then you can save and continue. And oh, okay. All addresses required. Go like this. Like this. It's, as I said, it's going to be single event, starts 4th, 3rd at 7 and p.m. 7 continue. And that's how you can easily start. Now we can drag and drop, click main event. So let's go with which one I'm going to use. 1 second. Let's go with my moon avatar. Description. Lots and lots of tutorials, 7 continue. And that's how we easily can create an event. Also, let's go with free and save. Let's go with 20. And we have 20 tickets and they are completely free. So they are only charging for tickets when they are paid. If would I pay like, if I just go with like 5 euros per one ticket, they will take up 0.79 of euros. And then you can go to publish. And let's go. And that's easily you published the event already, and as you can see tutorial making event in Ružomberok. You are going with Facebook event, and you can easily put it on Facebook. So all your friends, if you are logged in with if you are going with your personal account, or you already have an account for your company running this, basically you easily can. There's nothing hard on that. And then you can share it with friends. You can copy the URL and simply put it here, and you see you can register in and follow. Obviously this is completely wrong address. Then you have popular tools. You can send an email, add your event to Facebook, and obviously all of the other are paid, so they also have to make some money. Well guys, if you have more questions about Eventbrite, in my opinion, one of the easiest to use apps to create an event, please leave your questions underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Up until then, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.